same year I was diagnosed, that summer the whole ALS Ice Bucket Challenge phenomenon went viral. So I did all the fun part, you know, I jumped into a bikini and I washed my car and did all that fun thing. Because that's why the Ice Bucket Challenge was successful, I thought, you know, it's because it was fun. And then it went viral, it blew up. First day I got 100,000 views. And then the next day I got 1 million. And it went, by the end of that day it was like 5, 10, it was going viral and it was crazy. My phone was dinging 10 times a second. So I challenged Ellen, and a week after I made the video, we got a call from the Ellen show and we got invited. ALS has been in my family, I've been around it for such a long time, but nobody spoke of this disease. So, you know, in a weird way, I think that's why I talk about this disease in always a very hopeful way. And so I always encourage families, because it's really hard to do, but to be open, to share your journey with this disease, because we need change. So the biggest thing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge brought was hope and awareness and advocacy and a voice.